Do you want to start your blog and start earning passive income? So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can start a blog, that is with investment or without investment, and how to write a good blog. So if you are interested, please watch this video till end, and if you have not subscribed till yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss such kind of information. So without wasting much time, let's go and start the topic. The first thing of starting a blog, which is most difficult, is selection of your niche. Believe me, it is the most difficult part of writing a blog, because while selection of niche, some of you you may think that you know a lot of things, like mostly the experienced people who are like at the age group of more than 40 or 45. You people have seen many things and you have so many experience, so it will be difficult to choose that what to about what to write. And some people, like the youths, if you want to start writing your blog, you will feel that I don't know much about anything, what to choose. I mean, it is not applicable to like everyone. Maybe at youth, some of the youth also, you can have like a particular topic which you know very well. Then I think you will not face this difficulty. So anyway, I will just help you to understand that what should be your niche. Obviously from my like discussion, you would understand that the topic you can write anytime, and then you feel that you know at least some about it, and you want to learn about that topic. So that is very important, because sometimes we feel that we don't know much about that topic, so how to write blog. But if you are interested to learn about that topic, currently in internet there is ample number of data, so you can do research, you can learn, and then you can summarize in your blog. So that is very important. So if you are confident about that topic, select that as niche. This is the first step. The second step is where to write. So that is also very important. So many people will say that I'm just like, if you don't have other earning like what I consider that other active earning stream, then you will feel that okay, I don't want to invest now. So in this video I will solve your that problem also. So if you want to invest money, and if you want to host a website and then you write the blog, then do that. That's the best option, I would say. But like, to start with, you just want to try that how blogging works for you. I would suggest that without investing, you just first continue at least 6 months. You see that how consistent you are. Suppose you decide that every week you write an article. I'm just giving an example. So if you can write every week an article for the next 6 months, then you decide that okay, now I am consistent and now I want to invest in hosting a website. That is also not too much costly. Like for a year, it would cost, like in the beginning, the kind of website you would need, I think it will need 2,000 to 3,000 for buying domain. I think it would cost mostly 500 to 600 rupees. And then having a hosting also, it would need I think max to max 2,000 rupees per year. So that option you can try. I will mention my HostGreater hosting link. If you want to buy hosting, that is the best option that I'm also using for all my website. About starting your blogging journey free of cost, that is like, you can create an account in medium.com. Medium.com is totally free for people who write there. People who read there, that is a paid option for Medium. But if you are only write there, and you can access I think 2 articles per month free of cost for reading. So create a Medium account today only, and start writing there. So when you start writing there, you can create some kind of momentum there, and then later on you can invest in owning your website, your hosting, and start earning. So that is the how part. Now I will tell you how to create the 6 steps to create an awesome content. If you feel your content in this format, I think most of the content it will works fine. The 6-step formula, the very first step would be choosing the headline. So for choosing the headline, obviously you have to first decide what should be the keyword. So keyword research, I will mention the link below in the description box. There is a website called ahrefs.com/keyword generator. I will mention the link also. So that's a free keyword research tool. I think that's the best free keyword research tool. And when you start earning from your blog, you invest in paid keyword research tool. For that also I will make a video later on. So start with free keyword research tool. This is a very good keyword research, and I personally use it. So do the keyword research first. That what should be the keyword for your blog. Keyword is nothing but when people search in Google, the main word. Suppose for this article, if I would have written this as a blog, so for this the keyword would have been like how to write a blog, or the 6 steps to write a blog. So this is a long form keyword. So you can choose either long form keyword or short form. The short form keywords are generally more searched, like the search volume would be more, but the competition also would be more. So go and try for long form keyword. So first thing is do the keyword research and finalize your headline. Second thing is introduction. So create a very good interest generating introduction, because people's interest span is very low. I don't know whether you are watching this video till this point, because in YouTube also people's attention span is very, very low. So if you are watching this up to this, it's good for you, because you are getting that value. So write kind of shocking intro. Start with kind of a shocking intro or kind of a story. That works very, very well. So after introduction, now the main body part, where you have to either write how or what or why, this kind of thing. So this is the body part, and then the conclusion. So this is the 6th part. First first heading, then introduction, then why, what, how, and then conclusion. So this kind of 6 steps works very well. So start your writing journey, and this is the way. So earning from blog, I will make a video. I will post the link in the I icon. Watch that also. That's very important, because something you are doing, you are putting your effort, so you should earn from it, right? So because this is a passive income, so initially the earning will not be as high as your active income, but this is a alternate kind of stream of income you are generating. It will be kind of a snowball effect when like in a later, like maybe after 10-15 years, you can earn a very, very good amount of money from your blog. So start writing in your blog. Hope this video would be helpful to you. If yes, please mention that in the comment. And if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.